Hello students, in previous video we have seen examples on exercise 5.1. Today we are going to some another examples on this exercise. Question number 4. Show that the following points are collinear. First is the point A 3 2 minus 4, B 9 8 minus 10 and C is minus 2 minus 3 1. In that example, these 3 points are collinear are shown. But condition of collinearity is one vector is scalar multiple of other, then these vectors are collinear. Okay. Using this condition, solve this problem. Solution. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be the position vectors, of the points, A is equal to 3 2 minus 4, B equal to 9 8 minus 10 and C equal to minus 2 minus 3 1 respectively. Okay. A bar, B bar, C bar be the position vectors of the points A, B, C respectively. Therefore, the position vector A bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. B bar equal to 9i cap plus 8j cap minus 10k cap and C bar is equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 1k cap. These A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vectors. After that, find out the vector AB bar. AB bar is position vector of difference between position vector of B and position vector of A, that is B bar minus A bar is equal to B bar is 9i cap plus 8j cap minus 10k cap minus A bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Subtraction of these two vectors, 9 minus 3 that is 6i cap plus 8 minus 2 that is plus 6j cap minus 10 minus minus plus 4 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6k cap. 6 take common, then I cap plus j cap minus k cap. This is the vector AB bar. Then find out the vector BC bar. BC bar is equal to C bar minus B bar equal to C bar is equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 1k cap. C bar minus B bar is equal to 9i cap plus 8j cap minus 10k cap, which is equal to subtraction minus 2 minus 9 minus 11 I cap minus 3 minus 8 minus 11j cap plus 1 minus minus plus 10 plus 1 that is plus 11k cap. It is minus 11 take common, then remaining vector I cap plus j cap minus k cap, which is equal to minus 11, but I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to AB bar divided by here, which is also equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to AB bar divided by 6. That is, the I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to AB bar divided by 6. That is minus 11 by 6 AB bar. BC bar is equal to minus 11 by 6 AB bar. That is, BC bar is scalar multiple of AB bar. Minus 11 by 6 is scalar multiple. Therefore, BC bar is, which is scalar multiple of of AB bar. BC bar is scalar multiple of AB bar. Therefore, they are parallel to each other. But they have the common point which point is common? See here, BC bar and AB bar, B is common point, but they have the common point is B. Therefore, BC bar and AB bar are collinear vectors. Therefore, the points A, B, C are collinear. In this example, BC bar is scalar multiple of AB bar, that is, they are parallel to each other, but in this BC bar and AB bar, B is common point. Therefore, the vectors BC bar and AB bar are collinear vectors, and hence the points A, B, C are collinear. Number 5, if the vectors 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap and 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are collinear, then find out the value of q. In this example, the vectors 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap and 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are collinear is given, and find out the value of q. Solution: given that the vectors 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap and 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are collinear. Therefore, the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap are proportional. Therefore, write down the coefficients of I cap is 2, divided by 4. Coefficients of I cap is 2 divided by 4 is equal to coefficients of j cap minus q and minus 5. Minus q divided by minus 5. Coefficients of k cap 3 and 6. It is 3 divided by 6. 3 into 1 2, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 1 2 into 2 4, and therefore minus minus plus q divided by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore q is equal to 5 by 2, which is the required answer. Question number 6. Are the 4 points a in bracket 1 minus 1 1, b in bracket minus 1 1 1, c in bracket 1 1 1 and d in bracket 2 minus 3 4 coplanar? Justify your answer. प्रथमतः आपल्याला इथे काय 4 पॉइंट्स दिलेले आहेत आणि ते 4 पॉइंट्स कोप्लेनर आहेत का बघायचं आणि त्याचं जस्टिफाय द्यायचं आहे. सोल्युशन. लेट a bar, b bar, c bar and d bar be the position vectors, of points a, b, c and d respectively. Therefore a bar is equal to first point A, whose position vector a bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. B bar is equal to point B, whose position vector is b bar minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. C bar, see the point C, whose position vector is denoted by C bar, is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and D bar is equal to point D, whose position vector is D bar 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar are the position vectors of the points A, B, C and D respectively. Then find out AB bar. AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar, which is equal to B bar is minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap minus A bar is I cap minus j cap plus k cap, which is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 I cap plus j minus minus plus j plus 2 j cap. Coefficient of k cap is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 0 k cap. This is AB bar. Then AC bar is equal to C bar minus A bar. C bar is I cap plus J cap plus K cap minus A bar is I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Plus 1 minus 1, that is 0 I cap plus j minus minus plus j, that is 1 plus 1 2 j cap plus k minus k, that is 0 k cap, which is equal to 2 j cap. Since AC bar is equal to 2 j bar. Then find out AD bar. AD bar is equal to D bar minus A bar, is equal to d bar is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap minus a bar I cap minus j cap plus k cap. 2 minus 1, 1 I cap minus 3 plus 1 that is minus 2 j cap, 4 minus 1 3 k cap. AD bar is equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. If the points A, B, C, D are coplanar, if the points A, B, C, D are coplanar, then there exist scalars x and y such that AB bar is equal to x into AC bar plus y into AD bar, which is equal to x as it is, AC bar is equal to, AC bar is 2j cap plus y as it is, AD bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, which is equal to 2xj cap plus y I cap minus 2 into y j cap plus 3y k cap. First term I cap, that is y I cap, j cap is here, j cap in bracket 2x minus 2y plus 3y k cap, which is equal to y I cap plus 2x minus 2y j cap plus 3y k cap. This is AB bar. AB bar is equal to y I cap plus 2x minus 2y j cap plus 3y k cap by, therefore by equality of vectors, but AB bar is first, AB bar substitute here, AB bar is equal to minus 2I cap plus 2j cap. Therefore, by equality of vectors, equate the coefficients of I cap, that is y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. Coefficient of j cap 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, equation number 2, and 3y is equal to 0, equation number 3. From equation 1, y is equal to minus 2. From equation number 3, 3y is equal to 0. This is not possible. This is not possible. Therefore, the points A, B, C, D are not coplanar. Therefore, the points A, B, C and D are not coplanar.